Hello everyone, Zero Fossil Fuel. I'm back to working on the VSPB cell. Had enough fun with the golf ball globe for now. And just want to show you, I had a little time to kill obviously, as you can see. The glue is just about finished setting up on the plate stack brick. And one of the tests that I wanted to run, that I've been wanting to run for a very long time, is to subject the cell to various forms of magnetic energy. Be it a straight constant electromagnetic force, a pulsating magnetic force, and or magnetic force applied at radio frequencies. So there's a lot that I can do with this test setup right now. I can apply a DC bias or brute force current to the plate stack, to the plates within the plate stack, while I am applying a DC current to the coil. I can apply a DC current to the stack and pulse the coil. I can apply DC current to the coil and pulse the plate stack. There's a whole bunch of different things that I intend to try before this thing goes back into the Toyota, and obviously that's going to be a while. So there's a lot to do, and I will be, of course, recording all of the results, hopefully finding a way to disassociate the water molecules with less energy than is required in the normal process of brute force electrolysis. To apply the DC current, I'll be using my VS50M Astron power supply with the variable current regulator adjustment on there. And of course, for the pulse width modulation, I'll be using my handy dandy pulse width modulator. The idea came to me from a gentleman who sent me some materials not too long ago, and this gentleman has not been unknown to be divinely inspired from time to time, so I figured, what the heck, I'm going to give this a try. That's what inspired the idea, and I'm going to go forward with that. The amount of wire is number 14 gauge wire. There are 53 wraps of wire, and at approximately 1 ohm every 395 feet, the resistance of this coil, the DC resistance of this coil, is 0.11 ohms. If I were to apply 12 volts DC directly across it, it would draw approximately 100 amps. So obviously I can't do that, and I must limit the DC current with a current regulator, such as what is found on the VS50M. And of course, pulsing it, I'm well within range of the maximum pulse current capability of the pulse width modulator circuit that I designed. It's capable of 500 amps peak, and this should essentially draw no more than 100 amps peak, and maybe quite a bit less, depending on the inductance value of this coil with the plates in between. So we'll see how that goes. And of course, I will be recording all of the experiments on video. That'll do it for now. Zero Fossil Fuel.